Hey there, my friends. My name is Olga. Today's video is going to be different. I've got some experience and I'd love your opinion. After the video, let me know what you think about my idea. Is it crazy or not? I'm thinking of trying something fun, dyeing Easter eggs with old lipstick. It'll be a great way to use up old makeup and add a pinch of color to my Easter egg hunt. I'm not a big fan of using coloring kit, dye tablets or inks, so I'm always on the lookout for alternative ways to decorate eggs. On my first egg, I got a little carried away and put some lipstick on top. Then I started wiping it around with a tissue. But there's the thing, you gotta find the balance between making too greasy or too dry with no color at all. And it's super fun to play with and easy to add more or take away as needed. Second egg, the lipstick shade is a bit lighter than the first one. I tried rubbing it to the egg, but it still looks super pale. The third color is brown. I like the pastel pearl effect of the dark tone of the lipstick. The colors of the eggs in reality is much more vibrant than the video showed, and you can check this out with your own experience. But the egg I use with lighter tone, I decided to paint with a darker tone. The fourth color is a shade of crimson when it's on the egg. In my opinion, it turned out to be a lovely pastel color. The last color is red. This lipstick is way less greasy than others. And of course it will affect the color of the egg. It will be brighter than the others. Now I added a little bit more lipstick to the one of those eggs for a brighter tone, and my pink pastel collection is ready. Don't miss my next video because I will decorate them, make them more unique and beautiful. If you are interested in my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video all the way through and have a great day.